Hey guys, this is a quick manual for your new AirPods. So to charge them up, all you have to do is just place them inside here and they're gonna charge up. You're gonna see that light. Now to charge the case itself, which you will need to do, then you got this cable. So all you have to do is plug that in there, down there, and this will go to your computer, for example, or if you have a brick, you guys can go ahead and do that and charge it up as well. You do not need to have this plugged in to charge your AirPods. That's just to charge the internal battery of this, and this will charge your AirPods, by the way. Alright, so to sync these up, if they're brand new, it's extremely easy because all you have to do is open this up, hold it beside whichever Apple device you guys have. So I'm going to show you with an iPad, but it's going to be the exact same thing with an iPhone. Or if you want to sync it up to other devices as well, so you just have to hold on to this button down here. So to see this button in the back, that's to sync your AirPods to another device. So at first you're gonna sync it up to one device. If you want to sync it up to another one, just hold on to this button down here on the back so you guys can go on and do that. So whether this is an iPhone or iPad in this case, just because it's a bigger screen, so I want to show you that. You guys are gonna open this up, hold it nearby. As long as you hold it nearby, you should see this popping up. Click on connect, and that's it. That's how easy this is. Just make sure your Bluetooth's turned on your device, obviously. You're gonna see this, just put an ounce or customize it as much as you want. You're gonna see the battery percentage, done. And that's it for syncing. That's all you guys had to do. It's that easy. Now, if you're syncing up to another device, remember, hold on to the back here. There's a button. You guys can go on and sync it up to another device. But right now, it's fully working. Here on the side, I can see the battery percentage of my AirPods. You guys can see it's at 56%. So to do that on my iPad, I would have to go to the side and you can see my widgets, and I have that widget that's for battery. On your phone, it's gonna be the same thing. You have your widgets. You can see your batteries if you want to. You can always edit your widgets and add batteries if you don't have batteries in there. Just go to your plus sign and then just go on and add batteries. And there you go. You guys can see the battery percentage of your AirPods and see how well they're doing, if they need charging or not. So that's how you guys can see if your AirPods need charging or they're charging or what battery percentage they've got. You're good to go. As far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.